New today, a federal bankruptcy judge is being asked to decide whether the Archdiocese of Baltimore can lease out a large piece of church-owned land.
Now, the church says this will provide a steady revenue stream, but survivors of sexual assault argue it's all aimed at limiting abuse settlements by people who've claimed abuse. Fox 45's Rebecca Pryor has more from today's hours-long hearing.
Yeah, the church's years-long bankruptcy case is facing yet another controversy. While the Archdiocese wants to rent out this farmland that's been sitting empty for years, survivors argue the move is meant to tie up millions that should be going to victims right now.
In rural Baltimore County sits 102 acres of quiet rolling hills, now at the center of a heated bankruptcy battle. In 2023, the Archdiocese of Baltimore filing for bankruptcy just days before a new state law removed the statute of limitations for sex abuse cases, effectively pausing any potential settlements.
These survivors would have been given the chance to tell their stories before the jury if we had gone to civil court and been able to file our lawsuits. But because the church filed for bankruptcy, they deprived us of our voice.
Now sparking new criticism from survivors, this afternoon the church asking a federal bankruptcy judge to approve a 20-year lease agreement utilizing this large piece of church-owned land for a solar energy project. After a 2-year grace period, the property would generate $160,000 a year, a deal church officials call solid, lucrative, and time-sensitive in order for tenants to take advantage of expiring tax benefits. But lawyers for a committee representing the survivors say because the land isn't home to any parish buildings, schools, or outreach programs, this, quote, might be one of the only assets that could fund the settlement. Instead of locking it in a lease, they want it sold for millions right now. Although the exact amount is yet another point of contention. While the Archdiocese obtained a $2.5 million appraisal, the survivors' lawyers believe the property is worth far more, potentially up to $10 million. A debate that will continue next Monday when the church's chief financial officer is set to testify.
Now starting to lose patience with how long this is all taking, the judge also asked for an update on negotiations happening behind the scenes. Both sides agreed that they should know by December whether or not they'll be able to reach a deal on their own. In the meantime, a significant number of survivors are now scheduled to give victim impact statements in November. Reporting in Baltimore County, Rebecca Pryor, Fox 45 News.
I'm Kai Jackson. Thank you for watching. Here's another video to watch. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.